are going to Delhi from Kochi, and I have started from Palakkad. This is National Highway 544. Earlier it was known as National Highway 47. This starts from Salem to Kochi, passing through Palakkad, Thrissur and Ernakulam. We are going through Kerala. So see the beautiful scenery on either side of the NH. Kerala is famous for its coconut trees, plantain, and you can see the rubber plantations. That is dense forest is rubber plantations, and paddy fields can also be seen. Now we have reached the toll, the Lane Plaza, and we are nearing to Cochin Airport. Because of the COVID, there are certain restrictions, and this is the airport area. Cochin Airport is very vast and one of the best among Indian airports. Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata, then comes the Kochi Airport. You can see the solar panels. The whole area is powered by solar, and Kochi Airport has got trophies for the most eco-friendly airport. And see, this is Cochin International Airport. It has got 3 terminus. Terminal 1 we are moving to, because for the domestic flights, Terminal 1. And for the executive it is Terminal 2, and for the international flights it is Terminal 3. This is a 4-story block, and this is Terminal 1. You can see wooden roofs can be seen, and all the traditional decorations of Kerala. And this is the parking lot. Here we dislodged from the car, and separate entries for each flights, that is counter service is there, and seating area is granite, and Kerala touch is given everywhere. Car has stopped and we took the trolley and way to our Air India counter. You can see social distancing is there, and all are wearing masks, otherwise it is not permitted. It's a neat and well maintained airport. See the roofs, and that is where we had left the car. And Kerala is famous for its elephants, and they have got special love for elephants. That is why you can see a statue, elephant. And in the Terminal 3, the theme is Thrissur Puram, and there you can see 15 life-size fiber elephants with traditional costumes. It's worth seeing. As this is for the domestic air, this one, and we have entered. This is the counters, and in Terminal 1 there are 56 counters all in all, and because of the COVID, rush is not there and social distancing is well maintained. As you enter, see that the baggage is sanitized. 2 ladies are standing there. This is Air India counter, and more counters are there of other flights like Air Asia, Vistara, Indigo, Go Air, etc. I have got Air India flight, Air India Airbus A320. This is the art area where Kerala traditional life-size forms of Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Ottandullal, all are displayed near the security checkup area. Most of the person, they don't go through these. They just go because in the last minute hurry, they don't enjoy this one. These are mural paintings on the walls, scenes from Mahabharat. This is Kudiyattam. Again, this is Kathakali, the Krishna form, that is the green one. And the mural paintings on the walls. And here you can see the lock. In Bulbulaya picture, there is a lock of the house. That is Manichitra Thala, it is told. In the Malayalam version, film is named as Manichitra Thala. And this is Mohiniyattam, classical dance of Kerala. And this is Kathakali part, but the Raudra Bhav, that is revengeful nature. This is Lady Kathakali form. And this is Ottandullal, the humorous. Anybody can see that this is Kathakali scene. Krishna and I think Draupadi, or I don't know who the person is. And see, the lights are pointed towards each, and there is a tree also which you cannot see. And this is the terminus and seating lounge. We are near to the entry gate. I am waiting at the gate number 3. And these are the pathways. See, from direct the terminal, you can go inside the plane through this. This is called PBB, that is passenger boarding bridge. And here this is the shopping area. Terminal 1 has got a big shopping area. See that Indigo flights, SpiceJet, Air India, all are here. Some are ready to take off also. And that Air India, that passenger boarding bridge can be seen. See, I am focusing it. Air India is there. And small vehicles are loading the luggage into the flight. This is what you have seen, the solar panel, and this is the award that is commissioned by UN, United Nations, to Kochi Airport. So it has become the world's first solar airport. In 2018, it bagged this trophy. It is written, United Nations recognized CL's effort in 2018 with its highest environmental order. See that this is a shopping lot and we are seated here, and there is social distancing. Each seat care is taken, the distance is maintained, and passengers are also in the disciplined way. They are sitting there and enjoying. This is the passenger boarding bridge, and I am going to enter the flight. While entering, you can see that is the passage. This is into the flight I am going. This is a 3x3 seater, 6 persons in a row. And I told you this is Air India 320, that is Airbus, which can accommodate around 180 persons, 180 people. And this is the back end, and air hostess normally sit there. And overhead luggage cabin can be seen. All are wearing masks, and this is my most preferred seat, that is window seat, where you can view. The view is very beautiful from there. See, it has started. Now our flight is about to take off. You can see the wings, the flap. At times it's flaps also. So we are about to move up. Yes, the paddy fields can be seen. Now we can see the whole airport from up. All are provided with visor, sanitizers, sachet. Visor is a must, and we are asked to give health checkup also, and with the Arogya Setu. So precautions are taken. Visor means the glass protector. So mask is a must, and other than the mask, class protector should be. Now see, we are flying. You can see the whole airport down there with the solar panels, with the buildings. It's a 4-story building with the departure and the arrival area. Well maintained, security checkup, everything within the building. Greenery. It's lovely sight. And this window has got the flap at the top which can be pushed down. So when you don't want, or when it is in the afternoon, for the lights not to come to our face, we can so it's a lovely sight from the window seat, and the flight is fully occupied, so the middle seat occupier is given PPE jacket to protect from corona. These are the precautions that all the airlines are taking. Now see the buildings like matchboxes, it can be seen, very very small. Now the flight takes around 4 hours, that is 3 hours 50 minutes to reach Delhi. So almost, yeah, this is the night scene. We are nearing to Delhi airport, and I hope that, see the traffic, that is the light. It's not light from that moving traffic can be seen. Let us enjoy the night view. We are nearing the Delhi airport. Evening 7:30 is the time, and I told you the most preferred seat is my window seat, and this one I love it. Yeah, you can see that moving lights. That is actually our Delhi traffic. Even though it is corona, see the traffic, how huge it is. Night view is so beautiful. One has the feeling that we are in the sky with the twinkling stars around us. It's lovely, really lovely. Shining river-like effect. Now we are almost nearing the I think we are on the top of Dwarka. Yes, the turbulence is there. Now you can really see my camera shaking, and the sound also. It's about to land. Yes, I'm feeling the jerk. Yes, I think the tires has touched the runway. It's around 7:30 p.m. and yes, we have landed. See the jerks? It's landing. We have reached Delhi.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, दिल्ली के इंदिरा गांधी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे की टर्मिनल D में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आपकी जानकारी के लिए इस समय बाहर का तापमान 33 डिग्री सेल्सियस है।
This is a message from the pilot. Yeah, the lights are on, landed, and we are waiting for our announcement has come, like 5-5 seating. I am in 26 seat number. Yes, reached, and this is from the top, the view, Delhi airport inside, and yes, I'm going to get my luggage in the conveyor belt number 6, decorations inside the Delhi airport. So I hope you have enjoyed the journey from Kochi to Delhi. This is inside the airport. How beautifully they have kept that. Yes, this is Delhi airport. Towards my bag. Okay, bye bye. Let me take my baggage.